Okay, we are here with BR Helm setting up the tripod and camera for his life history. We're very excited about it. First thing we're going to do is set up the equipment. And once we get the equipment set up, then we'll go through the process of using the phone to start a recording session. Alright, so first thing, the way that this stand is set up, the adjustable side is closer to his head. The side where the tripod goes is closest to his feet. And this is if the stand is on the opposite side of the television. This obviously adjusts up and down as needed with this little lever off to the side. So, to attach the tripod, it's screwed down to a cutting board per Brent's specifications. It's not going anywhere. Earthquake, this thing will stand, everything else will fall over. Takes two C-clamps, one in the front, screwed down, one in the back. You're going to put the screw on the top, so it gives you as much clearance over his legs as possible. That was Brittany's idea. We'll give her full credit in the credits. And on the top here, we've got, this is the attachment that holds the telephone. So as far as that goes, that's ready to go. It's in place. We've got a remote that's Bluetooth enabled for tethering. And so we'll go through that as we set up for a session. Now the next piece is to get the phone on. So when you take this off, there's two little buttons. You have to push them both in lightly and it pops right out. With this open, you take this and on the phone, on the opposite side of the buttons, you can just slide it in here on one side and then just pull on the other side and it's a spring. So you just pull it until it latches in like that and it's ready to go. So then it doesn't have to be centered. You just put it right into the tripod like this until it clicks. You're good to go. It should be facing down. We're going to be in selfie mode on the phone so that when it turns on, he can see himself and center it up. So that's as far as you need to go on the equipment. The rest of it is just actually running the program and pushing play. So we'll rotate that into position like so. And then we can power this up. So the first thing that I would do is take the power button. In this case, it's on the bottom. It might be on the top, it might be on the bottom. Either way, it's the one that's on the one button on the, it's by itself. So you push the power button.
Got it.
Okay. Then you're going to take and you're going to flip the power button on this. Blue light will come on.
Mm-hmm.
That means it's pairing. So once the blue light flashes on and off, it's paired.
Okay, show me where you pushed.
So there's just there's one button on the whole thing.
Okay, got it.
You turn it on, it flashes on. This should be powered on when you do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So now you're ready to go. You hit the camera button. It turns on. It's in selfie mode. It'll automatically do that as long as when you turn the phone off, that's where you left it. It's going to turn back on in that same video mode.
Okay.
Now, to start a session, you got two options. You can either just reach up and push that video button, or you can just use the remote. On the remote, I've blacked out the button that doesn't work, so you just have to hit this Android button. The first time you do it, you're going to hit it twice. Once, twice, and it starts.
Okay.
To stop it and start it from that point on, you just hit it once. So that stopped it. If you want to start another one, you just hit it once. And it started back up.
Great.
So then we'll stop it. And that's all there is to. Now, what we're going to show you is when you want to do a playback, right within the camera, there's an icon here. You can hit that icon and it'll pull up the videos and it'll automatically start playing them, but you can scroll to the next one. You can scroll through the videos.
Okay.
If you don't like one and you just want to delete it, that's fine, but there's really no need to do that. So that's one way you can do it. If you go back out to the main menu and you go to your apps, there's a Google section with photos. Okay? That's where all of these will be up on the cloud, and you can access those from any computer and you can share those with other people. If you go to the menu, you can come down here and there's a button that says free up space. You can click on that and it'll allow you to free up everything that's automatically backed up onto your Google account. So I could free up right now 12 gigabytes of space. Right now you have about 24 gigabyte free. This will allow you to free it all up. So once those videos are all uploaded, you can take it off your device and not worry about losing it. It says right here it's already saved. Okay? From that, we'll be able to edit these videos. It backs up automatically and you'll be good to go. Okay?
Okay, now